स्विमोथॉन 2015 आयतारा कोलवा दर्यावेर जातली। सर्तीक गोय सरकारान पुराय तेंको दिला। सर्तीन राष्ट्रीय नामनेचे स्विमर वांटेकार जातले। बरी कामगिरी करतल्यांक भारतीय पंगडान वेंचून काडटले। भारताचो टॉप स्विमर वीर धवल खाडे हे स्विमोथॉनाचो ब्रँड एम्बेसेडर। गोयचे नामनेचे स्विमर तलाशा प्रभूय सर्तीन ब्रँड एम्बेसेडर आसा। सर्त स्क्वेअर ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स प्रमोट करता।
As you know that we are trying to promote Goa as a 365-day destination, and Swimathon falls bang in line with our policy to promote tourism, because we would like number of national level swimmers who are of international repute to come to Goa. In fact, last year we received about 600 participants, and it was a grand success at Kolva Beach.
We are thankful to Swimming Federation of India for recognizing the race as one of the premier open water swimming races and the official selection trial. We are happy to even announce that the last year winners represented India in FINA World Championship at Russia.
The swimmers who are coming first in the 5 kilometers and 10 kilometers event will probably get into an international competition in the next year. That probably going to be on Asian Championship, Asian Open Water Swimming Championship, and the date and venue to be decided by the Asian Swimming Association later. So this is a very good opportunity for the Indian swimmers officially to swim an event, and it is an immense help to Swimming Federation of India for Square of Sports is organizing this event on behalf of Swimming Federation of India, because otherwise it would have been really a marathon effort from our side to conduct this, because they are finding out everything possible to see that the competition is done with the maximum security, with the professional lifeguarding system and the medical care.
I'm happy to be the ambassador. I would like to thank Square Off for making me the ambassador once more, and I look forward to going to the event and hoping to swim the 1K again once again.
साखळे वाळवंटीन बुधवारा राती त्रिपुरारी पुनवेचो उत्सव जालो। रातचे दिव्यांचे उजवाडान न्हंयेन तरंगते व्हड्यांचेर सजयल्ले तरेतरेचे चित्ररथ हे साखळेचे त्रिपुरारी पुनवेचे खाशेलेपण। कार्तिक म्हयन्याचे पुनवेक त्रिपुरारी उत्सव जाता। हे फावट पुराण कथा ते FC गोवाचे चित्ररथा मेरेन तरेतरेचे चित्ररथांची सर्त पळोवंक लोक, टुरिस्ट आनी सर्तक मोठ्या संख्येन जमिल्ले। पळयात देवेंद्र गांवकाराचे कॅमेरांतल्यान साखळे वाळवंटीतलो त्रिपुरारी पुनवेचो उत्सव। इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।